The SABRENT docking station is a powerful accessory designed specifically for the Asus ROG Ally, offering an impressive range of features to enhance your gaming experience. With its compact design, this docking station is an excellent addition to any gaming setup, providing both functionality and convenience. One of the standout features is its 6-port USB Type-C connectivity, allowing for seamless data transfer and device charging. The inclusion of a 4K at 60 Hz HDMI port ensures crisp and clear visuals, elevating your gaming graphics to a whole new level. Additionally, the 5 gigabits per second USB ports provide lightning-fast data transfer speeds, making it ideal for gamers who require quick access to large files. The power delivery feature is a game-changer, as it enables efficient charging for your devices, ensuring you're always ready for the next gaming session. The compact design is a welcome surprise, as it doesn't take up much space on your desk, leaving room for other essential gaming gear. This docking station is a must-have for Asus ROG Ally owners, offering a seamless and efficient way to manage your devices and enhance your gaming setup. The combination of high-speed connectivity, crystal-clear visuals, and efficient charging makes it an excellent investment for any serious gamer. With its sleek design and powerful capabilities, the SABRENT docking station is a true companion for your gaming adventures, providing an immersive and uninterrupted gaming experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.